Power off and unplug the power cord. Remove the top cover, unscrew to screws. Hold and unplug the nozzle bus cable. Unscrew these 2 fixing screws. Hold and unplug the nozzle bus cable. Install the new nozzle bus cable. Tighten to fixing screws. Install the top cover and tighten to screws. Plug in the power cord and power on. Click Settings. Self-check. Check all options and start detecting. Wait for the machine self-check to complete.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.